Afternoon, Chris here, Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. Our latest vehicle available for purchasing. This one is a 7th generation new transporter. It's a 2626 registered, brand new delivery mileage vehicle. It's the Transporter Commerce Pro. It's a Kombi version, so 5-seat version. It's the 150 PS DSG automatic 4Motion, finished in graphite dust, super colour, lovely metallic finish. It's got lots of additional factory options, fully bespoke styled with all our usual signature pack, and looking absolutely fantastic. So what I'll do now, I'll walk you around the vehicle, just give you some pointers of the additional factory options, mainly the detailing we do to these vehicles. Bodywork, if you can imagine, is all fine, brand new vehicle, and it's looking absolutely fantastic. Okay, so I'll start from the front. So this one's got our signature gloss black full grille pack, MASV badging, gloss black to the lower grille, gloss black front canards and splitter, gloss and matte Volkswagen emblem, so one of the additional factory options, IQ lights. It's got the light and vision pack, really expensive option. LED daytime running lights and IQ headlights, all LED. It's got the 20-inch gloss black velour alloys, gloss black side skirt, gloss black mirror caps and surrounds. Has the park premium pack, so helicopter cameras we call it. Roof bars fitted to this one as well. Factory Kombi, so it's got the twin side loading doors. Privacy tint to the side windows, which are opening. Smoked rear tail light clusters. Black roof spoiler, privacy tint to the rear heater window wash wipe, as well as the side windows. Gloss black rear splitter as well. Front and rear park sensors, they're standard on this Commerce Pro model. Badging to match the front, of course, gloss and matte. Very popular colour, this graphite dust. Does lend itself really well to the gloss black detailing. Got the one-piece tailgate, of course, on the rear. Again, that's all standard. It's got an upgrade steering wheel, so this one's the heated, and then it's also had the Sports GT perforated sports steering wheel. All red stitch detail to match the seating. It's had the premium leather upgrade, which is perforated around the bolsters, lovely stitch detail, Alcantara centres, and again the red stitch detail. This being the Commerce Pro Kombi, it's got the twin captain seats in the front with the dual armrests, really comfortable seat. It's also had fitted another additional option, this style pack. So it's got this chrome stainless detailing on the doors, door handles, on the switches. It's also got the gloss black detailing around the binnacles. It's got the 13-inch infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay. This one's also got the additional factory navigation. It's got the wide centre dashboard, which is another option. Gives you 2 cup holders, wireless charging, USB points all in the centre there. Oh, nice and neat that. Plenty of storage. Sunglasses holder as well. Lots of safety, airbags, lane assist, etc. all on these vehicles. The full spec will be on our website. It's got the upper red stitch Alcantara rears to match the front. These are 3 single seats, so 1 seat can be removed, 2 seats, or all 3 seats. Folding removable seats on these latest Kombis. It's got the carpet flooring in the cab as well. So on the inside it goes. Got the easy access to the rear, so you just lift the seat up to get into the rear. Cab carpet as well in there. So this one's also got the upgrade rear heating controls, rear heater and auxiliary heater. Another expensive pack on these vehicles. It's lovely detailing around the vents. Again, new stainless steel on there. Style pack. So there we have it, 2626, delivery mileage brand new, Transporter 7th generation, Commerce Pro top of the range, 150 PS 4Motion automatic gearbox, finished in the super graphite dust metallic, full gloss black pack, 20-inch gloss black alloys, gloss black canards skirt kit, privacy tints, smoked rear lights, super specification. Available for immediate delivery. As I say, we'll be live on our website shortly, www.martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. If you would want any quotations, part exchange, finance quotes, etc., certainly give me a call. I'm Chris on 07888 989877. We'll be available for immediate delivery. As I say, this one's not a built to order vehicle, it's actually physical in our showroom here in Scunthorpe. All's left to say is thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lots and lots of vehicles added every day, and please leave your comments. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.